Hey, thanks for watching. We got a great show lined up today. 1, 2, 3 carpeted bedrooms, a set of stairs. Suni on the CRB. Cole Twinkle Toes Conley on the brand new titanium 4-jet swivel wand from my boy Joe Brister. Shout out Wander's Products. Thank you guys so much for watching. My favorite part, Angela, the purple-haired bandit, packs in some permanent carpet dye to repair a bleach spot and makes more money doing that than Cole did on the wand the whole time. Check this out.
So here you can see a trouble area with the bleach spots and definitely some other spots as well. Looks like brown, and you'll see those come right out actually with just the CRB, and everyone else is preparing. The vacuuming's been done, but here comes Cole with the pre-spray.
Let me get by real quick.
And here we are, as mentioned previously, 2 other rooms for a total of 3 rooms, and then of course we have a set of stairs as well. And there's Angela helping with the hose. And Suni using the CRB on the stairs for agitation.
Is that noise you make that makes me try to convince you that that thing's heavy?
Yeah. I raced for 2 hours yesterday. I'm feeling it.
Oh, I bet. Advance?
No, it's Cave.
Okay.
At the bluff.
Yeah, 2 hours of raking will take it out of you. I don't care who you are. I went on 5 walks yesterday with Darla.
Oh,
I'm
wow.
feeling it, yeah. Then I worked out this morning. 40 pull-ups. I'm hurting.
See that it's blue?
Yeah, kind of greenish blue. That's what? Toilet bowl cleaner. Is it fixable?
Yeah.
Isn't toilet bowl cleaner bleach?
Yeah, basically, so that's what it is. But,
That looked like it took it out of there. Did it not lighten it?
Yeah.
Or maybe not.
But look at this. I'm not,
You got to neutralize that too?
yeah. I'm not doing
Oh, is that all bleached along the
I
edge?
don't know, I'm not doing that.
Okay. I can kick that underneath the baseboard if need be. There's a lot of spots by that other stain too.
Yeah, it's all good. Is
Oh, I
that
didn't see
bleach
that.
too right there?
Yeah, but she said she's not doing that. Did a Nike shuffle on that. I took it out pretty much. A lot of spots over here by the bathroom though.
Uh-huh.
The bleach one we can fix, but the rest of them, that's on you.
Oh, I need trays.
Oh, they're right here.
Should I just have you extract
Oh, sure. Instead of using the shop vac? Yeah, if he's close, I would. He probably will be. 5 minutes though, yeah. Be a lot better extraction with that truck mount than it will the shop vac too. Don't tell Chris Howell that though.
You gotta love this wand. It's so smooth.
That is a nice one. Very nice. You gotta get my footprint. Yeah.
that little piece of debris by the transition there? There you go, nice. Beautiful.
The old Darren the Redneck Chicken selling a lot of hand sanitizer right now.
That's
Soap Daddy.
yeah.
DeAndre.
Remember you mentioned? Yeah.
Nice.
$30 a gallon. Can't beat that. Looks like somebody forgot the edge.
Sonny would rather I think that's the pain.
Oh. I like how you throw Sunny under the bus though. That's good.
Well, no, like she did a good job edging. That's just pain. I didn't throw you under the bus.
Sonny, trying to throw you under the bus here. Said you did a terrible job edging. There's crap all over the baseboard.
I did it.
Well, according to Cole, he said not good enough.
I'll remember that, Cole.
Hey, Dan's lying. I don't know what he's talking about.
He said Espen used to do a way better job.
Oh my God, nah, don't do that, man. I know Sonny's insulting, but I'm insulting more with that. We saw him yesterday.
Did he really? He honked and waved at me the other day too. Driving on the bluff in his big old red truck.
Yeah,
Hard to
that's what we
miss.
saw him too.
I was hoping to see him mowing some yards or something with Reliant. It's soapy.
Yeah,
Didn't foam out much when he
Raul actually went to the control, so he can't help him.
some nice looking lines there, Cole. I mean, they're not quite as good as the ones Espen used to do, but they're
Oh my God, dude. You're gonna make the spontaneously combust.
I think that's arms that's just taking care of that problem. This is all the one I needed today. Yes, it is. Think I won't. Did you set a timer for that? Oh, I wanted to get that last room of Suni if you ever been. There are a couple of the people that watch the YouTube that really love that CRV. Yeah. Kind of like a little fetish. I guess it's no different than me like really getting off on vacuuming or something, getting to watch out.
Yeah.
Which is funny because I just did a repair job up in Woodbine, that one that y'all did yesterday.
Was it extra or was it?
Actually, all it needed was just trim a little, and then I kicked it over and pressed it down. That's all it needed. But hey, $95 later, it looks great. The best part is, you put the couch right on top of it, so it's not like anything's gonna, you know what I mean? I'll never know. But she was like going off about her vacuum.
Yeah.
Yes.
She was so proud of herself.
She was not shut up about
She
that.
was.
Okay, the boss just showed up, Alfred. So be careful. We don't want to get in trouble. Tim. Tiny Tim. How tall is he? 4 foot.
Tell them there's a max of 10 people.
Max of 10 people. There's only 4.
I count as 2 though.
Yeah. I could make a really inappropriate comment right now, but I'm gonna not. So I'm gonna pretend like we're not videoing this and we're just using this for light.
So about a year and a half ago, Angela and I both took a class down in Jacksonville, Florida, and learned how to repair bleach spots, also do oriental rug restoration, color restoration, and full room dyeing. So we've had an opportunity to practice all these skill sets a number of times, but the one that we utilize the most is, of course, the bleach spot repair. Going into the class, it seemed like almost every job we did had some type of color loss or bleach spot. And so this has been a very, very good skill to learn. And you can see here Angela's taking a picture of the carpet and also of the bleached out carpet. And what she's doing is she has an app on her phone. We actually both have that same app. And what it does is basically tells us the amount of red, yellow, and blue that we need to put back into the carpet in order to match the color. So this carpet obviously is a beige, and beige is just orange with a little bit of blue, and of course orange is just yellow and red. So this is actually all three colors, but again, by using the app, we're able to kind of determine about how much of these specific colors that we need to put back in. So you can see here that I am using the shop vac to extract the moisture after Angela puts the dye in. She's using a syringe, and you can probably see in the bathroom there's 3 different crafts. One's got yellow, the other one's obviously got red, and then the last one has blue. So she set up a little lab. It works out really well because the bathroom floor has been ripped out completely and is getting replaced. So we don't really have to worry about protecting the flooring at all in this case, which is kind of a nice thing. Normally we roll down a neoprene mat. You can see in some of our other videos that we've done this type of work on. But again, this entire process took about 10 minutes to complete. Not counting the neutralization of the bleach, which of course took an additional 5. So we put the bleach neutralizer on there first, and then after that just put in the dye and we're good to go. And of course the final step of our cleaning process after we do the commercial vacuuming, which is the first step where we remove all of the dry soil. Then we follow that with the preconditioning soap-free detergent application, wall to wall of all the fibers, and we agitate that in with the counter rotating brush machine, extract with hot water, or a lot of people refer to that step as steam cleaning, where we flush and rinse all of the solution out and suspended soils. And then again, the last step of our cleaning process is to groom the carpet. And I had a comment on one of our other YouTube videos the other day that this was soothing to watch because it was I think they said something like a sand garden, almost like doing a sand garden. And I'd never heard that analogy before, but as soon as they said it, I thought that was a really neat understanding of what this process was like. So this is the master bedroom. Of course, Angela's still wrapping up some of the repair or the bleach spot repair kit that we have, and I went ahead and wrapped up the shop vac. And then Angela's going to groom out this last room. But yeah, start to finish, this entire job didn't even take us an hour. Of course, we did stack the deck, and having Cole and Suni focus and concentrate primarily just on the cleaning, while Angela and I kind of tag team the bleach spot repair. I didn't really do much other than extract the water from the dye and then, talk trash to Angela while she packed in the color. But overall, we made a good little bit of money on this job today and had, I believe, 6 other jobs as well. In addition to having one of the vans overheat, we had to have that repaired. Got a brand new water pump on that, and it's good to go. I also fixed a little belt that was squeaking. But thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch. Really appreciate it. I forego the eating today, so maybe we'll get another vegan meal in next time. But thanks for watching.